All right, what's going on, everybody? So quick update as far as Liquid Apps goes. They're actually going into their 2.0 version. They're adding new features such as Liquid Oracles, Liquid Accounts, Liquid Scheduler. These are all things that were talked about, and now it's cool because they're finally going live. So that's sweet. That's awesome. It couldn't have come at a better time, especially as the price has just been killing it the last couple of days. I don't know how many of you guys have been paying attention, but if you haven't been paying attention, definitely pay attention. Buy some tokens if you haven't already. That's not investment advice, but they have been doing really well, and they have been performing, especially against EOS, but even in terms of US dollar, they've gone up 200%. And right now, with these added additional services being added to DSPs, more scalability, more speed, more security. They're gonna have a feature now where you're gonna have redundancy as far as DSPs. You'll be able to stake to several DSPs at once, so you have that redundancy, as well as stake. Individual users will be able to stake directly to a DSP rather than having to kind of do it how it's set up now, where it's like you stake to, like I'm staking to EOS Nation, for example, and then they stake to the DSP. Like you can sort of choose whatever Dapp you want to give your tokens to, um, in that sense. So that'll be cool. But yeah, just a lot of new upgrades as far as Liquid Apps. So definitely great to see that. One last thing is they also announced, right now they got a learning platform, kind of similar to like what Coinbase is doing, and I think they're probably seeing the effect that Coinbase has had with their program. So they got something very similar. It's like a little affiliate program. So basically, they just want you to read the blog posts that the Liquid Apps team has put out, read the articles, and that's pretty much it. Just join the Telegram community, interact with the community, share the post, things that you probably are going to do anyways, and just learn a little bit more about Liquid Apps and what their goal is and what they're trying to accomplish. It's actually super interesting stuff, guys. I definitely recommend you do it, because if you do it, you're going to learn more, you're going to feel more educated, you'll feel better about your investment, more confident, and on top of that, you can earn Dapp tokens, and you can, that's sweet. So I'm going to go ahead and put my affiliate link in the description box below. So if you want to learn more and you want to use it, go ahead and definitely check that out. I'm going to be, I read all their blog posts anyway. A lot of the times I actually read them on the channel. So if you find value in that and you're like me, where sometimes I don't even feel like reading, so it's good that I have the recordings, because sometimes I'll literally want to listen to it again. So I'll just listen to myself speaking the whole thing, and it's just like having an audio podcast or something like that, where I can get the information that I need. And even if I miss something reading through it the first time, it's good to hear it again. So that's why I often record the blog posts. I read them and then I record them, so that way if any of you guys want to do that, you can do the same thing, and I have access to it as well. I'm going to do that with all the new blog posts, all the Liquid Apps blog posts, and pretty much all the blog posts that I find interesting. So probably EOS blog posts and Liquid Apps and Bancor for the most part. So thanks again for watching this video. That's it. I will see you guys in the next one.